Ankit, so tell me five current affairs of India.
Five current affairs of India.
Yes.
So first is PM Modi getting back three farms law.
Yes. First news.
Yes.
Second news. Means you are not aware of current news.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing?
I am engaged in my his friend's sister's marriage and.
So how was that marriage?
That was very good, sir, and very nice.
What was your role?
I played a role as a management in the food section. Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me about your education background.
Sir, my name is Nikhil Pathar. Sir, I am studying right now class 7, and sir, my school name is Model Senior Secondary School. So it is in Sikkim, Gangtok.
You are still studying in Sikkim.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, because sir, this year is my last year. Because from
But you are in Bihar right now.
yes, sir. Right now I am doing my online classes.
Okay, online class.
Yes, sir.
I think because of COVID-19.
Yes, sir.
So, what is your hobby?
Sir, my hobbies is listening music, photography.
Photography. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Quite impressive.
Yes.
Because photography is quite very different.
Yes, sir.
No? Ankit, I know you are the members of UPSC club also.
Yes, sir.
But in recent times you haven't shown any interest in your subjects.
Yes, sir.
It is a very bad thing for you,
Yes.
especially for you, not for me and not for me as a teacher, because I'll get students like you. So how to keep yourself in the same orbit, because lot of times you face lot of diversity in terms of disturbance,
Yes, sir.
in terms of management, in terms of many things. So how to keep yourself in the orbit of your PSC?
So in recent time, I did very busy and I'm not managed the time of to attend the class, and through hard working and through attending of class, I can keep in the orbit of UPSC.
So how can you do your hard work? Because doing hard work is not merely only speaking.
Yes, sir. Hard work means, sir, I will try to I will try to attend the all class of UPSC, and that also I will try to as maximum as possible writing men's writing, and also I will try to focus on a study.
Okay, show me your watch. Your watch is so good.
Yes.
Tell me about the company's name of this watch.
This is it Fox, right? It is a local company.
Local company.
Yes, sir.
Fox
Fox.
is Indian company or foreign country?
No, sir. It is a Chinese company.
Chinese company.
Yes, sir.
But Chinese is not good at watchmaking. Chinese is good at mobile
Yes,
manufacturing. But still they are capturing the Indian markets.
sir. Yes, sir.
So it is a quite paradox.
Yes, sir. But this was look like good, and I am so impressed when I was saw this watch. So afford it.
Okay. That means Chinese are even good at watchmaking also.
Yes, sir.
So when Indian will learn such kind of things to make watch own.
Yes, sir.
So because Atmanirbhar Bharat,
Yes,
make
sir.
in India, how it will be possible? Because even if we are not in comfort level, so for watchmaking, which is a very basic things.
Yes, sir, it is very basic things, and so many paradox were in the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Government not provide a proper infrastructure and proper environment for the youth, because government invest on the research and development very least.
Do you think governments actually is tapping potential of the youth in a good manner by doing like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana or other
Yes, sir.
schemes?
This government launched this scheme for the youth, but it is only 60 days or 19 days. In the 16 days or 19 days, a student how to keep their own self on the competition, because as we know that there is a very high competition and in all over world. So in the through many schemes like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, in this scheme government only learn on the basic level, not on the high level. So it is not beneficial for all
So
students.
how can government fix this problem?
Sir, government fix this problem through the invest on the research and development, through proper provide the proper primary education and primary education, and if government hard work on the primary level, they can give on automatic, they can they become a best.
Okay. Yes. Do you think primary education plays a very important role for a student?
Yes, sir.
How?
So because the primary level is very important, because when we are joining the schools, so first we are getting all the classes from nursery to class 12. So in this moment, so we are learning many things. So primary sector is a very important role in our life.
Okay, over to you.
Yes. In which class do you read?
So right now I'm 7.
7th. Tell me the environment which you see in this type. Environment of this institute, this class. All round.
Right now is environment is very good, because in previous time there are very pollution. In present time there is the pollution is very less, because of if anyone do pollution, the government get actions.
No, I'm not asking about other place. I'm asking about you present in this class, in this institute, in this room. Tell me the environment of this room.
This room is very good. In this room, we are having lots of activities. Like right now we are here to interview. So there's many activities we are going.
Yeah. Oh, some questions from you.
Yes.
You are aware from the politics and also the work of the government. Then and also know about the many works done by the present government. So do you satisfy the work of this present government, working in proper way? It is good or bad from your perspective? All work done by the government in this time,
Yes.
present government, which has 7 to 8 years after 2014. From your perspective, it is good or bad for the people of the country?
So there are both sides. government done many good things, and also uh, they did not give a best in many sectors like economic development. This government started demonetization. It was flop, very full flop, and they work on the Atmanirbhar Bharat. But when we are surveying on the ground level, this is get result is zero. And this government present government launched many schemes, and but their result is not very beneficial on the ground level. And this
Okay, but every time we are watching in the television that government launched this program, that program.
Yes, sir. Government launched many program, but it was only on the paper, not in the.
How can you say that it is only on the paper?
Yes, sir. I can say um, present government work on the Jal Jeevan Mission. You can survey on the ground level. You get a result very zero. Government launched on every house to treated water, but in the still time, government launched in a scheme in the 2016. But in the present time, though 2021, all household are not completed.
Do you think bureaucracy is the main reason for that?
Yes, sir. Bureaucracy is I can say is the bureaucracy, because sir, government launched many scheme, and the bureaucrats follow this rule, but he did not work on this scheme. And we can say the sir, ministry is not work on the that scheme.
But there are a lot of ministry who are working actually. Like if you see the railway, if you see the transport minister,
Yes, sir.
Nitin Gadkari sir,
Yes,
he is doing his best.
sir. Something like, but not every.
But you are aware from the population of the country. It is so diverse and so populated, and you know the data 24 to 25 crore households present in the country.
Yes.
So to enhance and implement the many schemes, it gets much time. No.
Yes, it get much time, but government do very strictly. They can achieve the goals, but where the government use this population like asset. Government, as we know that our country is 30 years old, 30 years is country. If government utilize this asset, they can give her best.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine. Coming to you, Nikhil, because Nikhil, do you think two-child policy is good for Indians? Two-child policy?
So I don't know about this.
Two-child.
Yes.
Okay, Nikhil, what is your favorite subject?
Sir, science and English.
Science and English. Why students should have knowledge of science?
So because because science is important, because the scientists they already learned science. In science we are one topic is there. We are searching in that science in background. So we have to do our searching development. So we have to find point to point. So what is this? All the meanings and all. Then so we have to make one like one thing. But that thing we have to all the knowledge. That the what will be success.
Yes.
Yes, Ankit, I have a question for you
Yes, sir.
regarding two-child policy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have been very familiar with the way some states are coming with the such kind of policy, and we are aware of the facts also that we are inching towards 2.2
Yes, fertility.
yes fertility rate. That is close to your replacement fertility rate,
Yes.
which even I taught you in the class.
Yes.
So so Ankit, you tell me, is this a good way to be included in the politics of such a very sensitive issue?
So our country is a very sir, it is not good for politics, sir, because sir, in India is a very diverse country, and India also known as the diverse religions, and it is not good for the country, because if government implement the two-child policy, it will direct impact on religions, and it is direct impact on the our ground level. It will harm for our society, because our fertility rate 2.2, it will replaced, so there is no need of a two-child policy.
Okay.
Yes, I have a question. Do you agree the dressing code is so important for enhancing a person's personality in any occasion, any program, any institute? Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Just tell me why.
Because dressing is very important, because anywhere we are going, so if our dressing is very proper, then we'll perform good, and our opponents can say yes, he's a good. So if our dress up is not good and bad, there is he don't have discipline. Okay.
Yes.
In dress up, they can see yes, he is disciplined.
You think it creates perception in that present situation?
Yes.
Yes, but it is also so different in terms of his real personality, his real mind mentality, sense to how to wear a dress, how to manage with the people, to show without speaking, to show our personality in dressing sense. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Conclude your interview, Ankit.
Yes, sir. It is very interesting, and this interview learns many things, sir, like how to utilize the time, and how to analyze. And I am very happy and for this interview, because sir, you asked me many questions, I give answers, and so I am very.
Conclude your interview, Nikhil.
So thank you so much, sir, for inviting me for this interview. This is my first interview in my life. So in this interview, I have learned many things. So in opponents, they have asked questions, sirs. So in this I am updated. So in next interview, I will perform my best.
Okay, very good.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. You can